Welcome to the SFS, Key Charts, Signals, and Analysis. This is Morris. Let's begin by looking at this massive formation, this huge saucer formation on the gold pattern. This is very, very bullish. The longer the basing process, the greater the move when the breakout comes. Well, arguably, the breakout is certainly unfolding now. The one thing we are watching here is a potential for a move back to the test of the initial neckline. This is not uncommon, and I want to draw a line in a previous market right through here. You will note it's a very similar, a basing process and then a breakout, and the breakout is very, very heavy to the upside, but keep in mind this was a 22% correction from the high to the low. One other thing I want to point out on the chart as it relates to this long term, this is a monthly chart. So understand the magnitude of the monthly action. The market that I just pointed out was right here. Yeah, there was some volatility in this. And by the way, this market stayed overbought for several years. And I want to fast forward to where we are right now. A massive breakout appears to be at hand and actually taking place. But what we have to be concerned about at some point is the volatility that can move into this market. I just want to make clear the foundation of the saucer is massive, and that looks more like a market that based from 99 to 2000, and when the breakout came, the action was huge. So what we're saying here, the upside potential for gold is quite large over the course of the next several years. Holding core positions is vital, but understand volatility can come in to any bull market. We are now approaching that 70 plus RSI action on the monthly gold chart. Quite positive with one note of caution. Now let's fast forward right to the gold stocks. Gold stocks are performing magnificently. There was something that was developing a week ago. We were talking about an evening star formation, but literally what has taken place, a reversal of that, and a morning star formation and a breakout, confirming the morning star with a break to new highs on the move as it relates to the gold senior action. I have been mentioning that when you're in a strong bull move like we have been for over the course of the past several months, that when you get negative formations on candlestick analysis, you want to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. We were looking for one of two things to happen on the negative. If it would break the channel or most recent support. Neither one of those things happened. I drew a line back here at the area of the engulfing bull, and then initially the follow-up formation was a morning star. There was no serious violation, and as you can see, the bull is confirmed yet again with another morning star formation that took place in the last week. So this market continues to look like it's moving higher. Now let's take a look at Newmont tonight. Newmont is a strong stock. It's flirting with a new high for the move. Note the magnitude of the move from early May to where we are right now. Pretty solid action, but there's one other chart that even reinforces Newmont for further gains. One other chart that I want to look at as it relates to Newmont, and that is the Newmont ratio chart versus gold. Whereas Newmont is flirting with highs on the previous chart, in gold, it could rally substantially higher, and actually that's what I expect a number of the gold senior stocks to do. The GDX chart that we looked at this evening is already broken to new highs, and that would tell me more new highs are coming for the gold senior stocks. Remember, the real story for gold and gold senior stocks have been this. Institutional money has flown to gold and moved also into gold seniors, and that means stocks like Newmont can have much more upside action in the intermediate future. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.